Imagine standing in front of a mirror, looking into your own eyes, and speaking words of love and encouragement. What if this simple practice could transform your life in just 21 days? It might sound too good to be true, but mirror work is a powerful tool for healing and self-empowerment. In this video, we'll explore how this revolutionary 21-day challenge can bring you closer to the person you want to become. Stay with us, and let's dive into this life-changing experience. Mirror work is a powerful tool for self-healing and personal growth. It involves looking into your own eyes in a mirror and speaking affirmations that promote self-love, compassion, and forgiveness. This practice helps you connect with yourself on a deep emotional level, allowing you to break down barriers that have been preventing you from fully accepting who you are. The process works because it triggers the subconscious mind, helping you confront negative beliefs and emotions. For many, looking into their own eyes can be a difficult experience at first, but it's through this challenge that transformation occurs. By repeating positive statements to yourself each day, you slowly begin to rewrite the narrative you've held about yourself and your abilities. Mirror work isn't just about repeating affirmations, it's about truly connecting with your inner self. It helps you develop self-worth and an unshakable belief that you are deserving of love and success. And as you practice it over the 21-day period, you'll notice subtle but powerful shifts in your mindset and perspective. Before diving into the challenge, it's essential to set a solid foundation for mirror work. Start by finding a quiet, comfortable space where you can stand or sit in front of a mirror. The environment you create should be calm and free from distractions. This will allow you to fully focus on yourself during the practice. Start each day by looking into your eyes and taking a deep breath. Begin with a simple affirmation, such as, "I am worthy of love and success," or "I am enough just as I am." It's important to speak these words with conviction and genuinely feel them as you say them. Don't rush the process. Take your time to look at yourself with kindness and acceptance. For those new to mirror work, it can feel uncomfortable or even awkward at first, but don't forget that discomfort is often the first sign of growth. Stick with it for the 21 days and you'll begin to notice positive shifts in how you see yourself and the world around you. One of the biggest challenges you'll face during the 21-day mirror work challenge is the internal resistance that may arise. Negative self-talk can be deeply ingrained, and when you stand in front of the mirror and say positive affirmations, your mind may try to sabotage the process. You might hear thoughts like, "This isn't true," or "I don't deserve this." These thoughts are normal and part of the healing process. Acknowledge them without judgment and continue with your affirmations. Over time, you'll notice that the negative self-talk becomes less intense and easier to manage. You'll also start replacing those thoughts with more supportive and empowering beliefs. The key to overcoming this resistance is persistence. Every day that you continue the practice, you're reprogramming your mind to believe in your worth. Keep reminding yourself that change takes time, but with dedication and consistency, you'll begin to experience profound shifts in your self-confidence and confidence. Mirror work is one of the most effective ways to cultivate self-love and self-acceptance. By standing in front of the mirror and speaking words of affirmation, you are reinforcing your worth and creating a deep connection with yourself. This practice encourages you to love yourself unconditionally, regardless of past mistakes or imperfections. As you continue the 21-day challenge, you'll find that you start to treat yourself with more kindness and compassion. You'll stop criticizing yourself and instead focus on your strengths and achievements. This shift in perspective can have a profound impact on all areas of your life, from your relationships to your career and overall happiness. Self-love is the foundation of a fulfilling life. When you truly accept and love yourself, you're able to live more authentically and confidently. Mirror work helps to create that foundation by changing the way you see and relate to yourself. As you continue your 21-day challenge, you'll notice the ripple effect that mirror work has on every aspect of your life. The positive affirmations you say to yourself in front of the mirror begin to extend beyond the practice itself. You may start feeling more confident in social situations, more assertive in your goals, and more accepting of others. When you shift your internal dialogue from self-doubt to self-love, the world around you changes as well. People will respond to your newfound energy and confidence, which will further reinforce the positive changes in your life. It's a beautiful cycle that builds momentum the more you practice. And this ripple effect isn't limited to just your relationships with others. It can also influence your career, finances, and personal well-being. By strengthening your relationship with yourself, you open the door to greater opportunities and success. Staying committed to the 21-day challenge is essential for seeing results. It's easy to get distracted or lose motivation, but the key is consistency. Here are some tips to help you stay on track. Set a specific time. Try to practice mirror work at the same time each day, whether it's first thing in the morning or just before bed. Having a set time will help make it a daily habit. Keep a journal. Track your progress by writing down how you feel before and after each mirror work session. This will help you stay motivated and reflect on the changes you're experiencing. Celebrate small wins. Don't wait until the end of the challenge to celebrate your progress. Acknowledge any positive changes, whether they're emotional, mental, or physical, as they happen. By committing to the process and staying consistent, you'll ensure that the 21-day challenge leads to lasting change and transformation. Once the 21 days are over, the practice of mirror work doesn't have to end. In fact, it's encouraged to continue the practice as a part of your daily routine. The more you engage with mirror work, the deeper your connection with yourself becomes. You may even want to create new affirmations or modify the ones you've been using during the challenge. As you evolve, your needs and goals will change, and your affirmations can evolve with you. The important thing is to continue fostering self-love, positivity, and acceptance, as these are the keys to creating lasting transformation. The 21-day challenge is just the beginning of your journey. By incorporating mirror work into your daily life, you can continue to build a strong foundation of self-love and emotional healing for years to come. Consistency is key when it comes to the effectiveness of mirror work. It's easy to become distracted or lose focus, especially when you don't immediately see the changes you're hoping for. The magic of mirror work happens over time. The more you practice, the more you'll notice subtle shifts in your mindset, emotional state, and overall outlook on life. It's important to approach the practice with patience. Some days will be easier than others, but recall that each session, no matter how small, is contributing to your overall transformation. Think of it like building a muscle. At first it may feel challenging, but with repetition and effort it becomes second nature. By staying consistent with mirror work, you'll begin to see deeper healing and personal growth that you might not have noticed at first. Consistency also allows you to become more comfortable with yourself. With each repetition of your affirmations, you will develop a stronger sense of self-worth and begin to trust yourself more. Over time, this practice will become an essential part of your self-care routine, and you'll find it easier to continue it beyond the 21 days. As you work on yourself through mirror work, you will begin to see the positive impact it has on your relationships. When you begin to love and accept yourself, you radiate that energy to others. People around you, whether friends, family, or colleagues, will notice your shift in self-confidence and emotional stability. This positive change can strengthen existing relationships and attract new, more supportive connections. By healing negative self-talk and replacing it with affirmations of self-love and acceptance, you also create healthier boundaries. You'll no longer tolerate relationships that drain you or undermine your worth. As you develop a deeper connection with yourself, you'll naturally start seeking relationships that are uplifting and nurturing. Moreover, mirror work helps to foster empathy and understanding in your relationships. When you become more accepting of yourself, you're also able to offer more compassion and understanding to others. This can lead to a deeper sense of harmony and connection in all of your interactions. The benefits of mirror work extend far beyond the initial 21-day challenge. And while you may experience noticeable shifts in your mindset and emotional state during the challenge, the long-term effects are where the real magic happens. Mirror work helps you establish a strong foundation of self-love and self-acceptance, which you can build upon for years to come. As you continue to use mirror work in your daily routine, you'll notice that you are more resilient in the face of challenges. End quote. Negative situations or setbacks will no longer affect your self-worth as much because you've developed a strong inner foundation. Instead of turning to outside sources for validation, you will begin to rely on your own inner strength and affirmation. Over time, mirror work will allow you to continuously evolve and heal. You'll find it easier to release old patterns of self-criticism and judgment, replacing them with a deep sense of compassion for yourself. This practice helps to create a life of peace, positivity, and fulfillment that reflects the love and acceptance you have cultivated within. The 21-day Mirror Work Challenge is a powerful practice that can help you reconnect with yourself, heal past wounds, and cultivate lasting self-love. By consistently looking into your own eyes and speaking words of affirmation, you begin to reshape your self-perception, boosting your confidence and self-worth. Not only does this practice improve your relationship with yourself, but it also positively impacts your relationships with others and sets the foundation for long-term emotional healing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on personal growth and transformation. The power of mirror work lies in your consistency and belief in yourself. So keep practicing and watch how your life begins to shift.